Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is NivriStyles coming to you with another tutorial using the Aussie Miracle Curls line. I'm doing a tutorial today on my daughter's hair. As you can see, her hair is dry, it needs washing, just needs some love. I'm using the shampoo, the conditioner, the 3-minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, the leave-in detangling milk, the cream pudding, and I'm using coconut oil. I'm going to wash her hair and I'll be right back. I just washed her hair. Now I'm adding the coconut oil to it. I'm just detangling it with my fingers, getting ready to layer the products. I'm just combing it and parting it into different sections, adding the detangling milk to each section and smoothing it in as I go. Now I'm adding the pudding to her hair. Like I say, it's going on very easy. I'm kind of getting the same results that I got on my tutorial. It's going on very good. It's really detangling her hair very well. As you can see, I got my Denman brush, or not a Denman brush, a Denman style brush, and I'm just distributing the product evenly throughout of her hair, shingling as I go. I'm just going through each section, adding the leave-in detangling milk and the curl pudding and detangling as I go. As you can see, her curls are forming, they're clumping together. They're doing a lot better than it did on my hair when I used this product last week. So I'm just going to continue to add the detangling milk and the cream pudding to each section as I go. Yeah, it is really good. And like I say, it's clumping. Her hair looks white, but like I say, it's going to dry clear. And yeah, I'm just going to keep on doing that. I'm on the sides now, just adding as I go. Her hair is still very wet. It's not damp, it's not dry, so I'm not having to add any more water to her hair. The products are going in very well, and her curls are forming. Like I say, better results than when I used the product a few days ago. You're just clumping together, going section by section to her hair. Now I'm in the front, doing the same thing. They're clumping pretty. And so it could be a difference too, because I really can't use a Denman brush on my hair. The reason why I probably didn't get some of the same results. But as you can see, her hair is clumping and it's forming. I'm actually liking this product on her hair. Like I said, it's doing a way better job on her hair than it did mine, which is typical, because normally, like I said before, she can use any product. Like I said, I did a blog post this week on these products and I put that in there. So check out my blog. It is NivriStyles.com. So check that out. I did a blog on my hair. So yeah, just clumping the curls, detangling, shingling, just fixing them up, going in and accenting some pieces. Get a little shake action going on to clump those curls even more. It's looking good. I'm liking it. Her curls are really defined and formed. I'm really loving this product on her hair. Like I say, way better than mine. Her hair type, I wouldn't call it a 4C. I would say maybe a 4A. It's not really as coarse as what I think a 4C texture would be like. I would say she's about a 4A. But she has great definition. And her hair is very soft. So just wiping on my hands down, I'm showing you the finished product before I begin to dry it. See, it's forming. So now I'm just taking a handheld dryer and just going through. It's on low heat right now. And I'm just taking this dryer throughout her head in section. I don't know where my diffuser attachment is, but oh well, it still got the job done. So I'm just drying it. Like I said, her hair is still very soft. It's not hard. It was before. Like I said, those white spots are going to dry. It's going to dry in a real nice. So yeah, if you caught my video, I did about 3 or 4 days ago. I used this line on my hair, and like you would know that I did not like this line at all in my head. But like I say, I'm loving it on my daughter's hair. But I'll say this: am I getting the results that I normally get with a wash and go when I use gel? No, I'm not. I actually, you know, the curls, they are defined, but they're not defined as would be with, like I said, Eco Gel. I have pretty much every line, line of Eco, from the new Eco Gold to the original Eco with olive oil in it. I also have. So yeah, I've tried them all on her hair, and her hair always have got great definition, great hold, and her wash and goes normally last about a week. I do her hair on Saturdays to get ready for church on Sunday, and normally her style will last throughout the week without having to do much restyling. Maybe through the week, maybe like Wednesday, I might add a few twists or something like that, but normally she gets the full week out of her hair. She's a big puff wearer. She just put a little gel in the front and in the back, and add a headband, and that's it. So right here, her hair is dry, not all the way dry, but it's dry enough. I'm just adding a little coconut oil to remove a little bit of the cast. As you can see on the side, it's still kind of wet, but that's fine because it's going to continue to dry. Today I'm going to give her like a little mohawk action. Put a couple of bobby pins on each side, something different than what she normally wear. So yeah, I don't know what she's watching at her phone, but evidently it's good. This right here, that TNT Slick Edges, I got that at MegaFest last year. A vendor was at MegaFest, and I bought it, and I love it. I say it leaves her edges laid all day. It doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't leave residue, and like I said, her edges stay up the full day. See, I'm just brushing it up on the sides, getting ready to add the bobby pin, pulling out those sides. Everybody got those little curls on the side. They're just something real cute, especially for a little girl. Like I said, she's only 12 years old, and I try to keep her looking like a little girl as much as possible, but you know, hey. So yeah, adding the bobby pin on the side. It's real cute. Like I say, it is still a little damp, but it's going to dry. Okay, I'm on the other side now. Brushing it up. I've already added the gel. Brushing it up now. I'm just placing the curls in the way I want them to be. Look real cute. Like I said, pulling out those little curls on the side, like I did on the other side. So like I say, in all, I am loving these products on her hair. I will go back. Will it be my first choice? No, but I will go back and revisit these products. I'm actually going to try hers with a twist out and see if I get some results from that. So I got my pick, raising them roots. Like I said, her hair is not hard at all. It's real cute. So at nighttime, what she'll do, she'll just put on a bonnet, and in the morning, she can just maybe brush the sides up a little bit. She may need to add a little bit of gel, but in all, I am pleased with the results on her hair. I love it. Way better, like I say, way better than mine. Still forming them. Like I said, if you have any questions or comments, like I said, if you've used this line before, comment below. Don't forget to rate, don't forget to comment, and please subscribe for more tutorials. And until next time, y'all have a blessed day.